Hello everyone, I'm Zishansha and welcome to Zero Interactive YouTube channel, your own training institute. So in this new lesson number 23, we'll learn how we can add the albedo to these items, the one that are not on the box itself, but they are separately on the our like a UV map here. So let's go back here and see where these are coming from. So first thing we have is the lock. Now lock is here, if you will see, it's divided into two parts, uh, basically three parts, because the inner part is it's a whole. So like 1, 2, 3, okay, and we'll use these in our like albedos here. So let's see where these are basically. So if you will see, this is the whole thing here, and the whole mask is here. Now I don't want this. Basically what I want is I want this, I want this, and I want this. So what I'm going to do is that I'll take this one, okay, all the way up here and out here, alt, down, and levels. So I can change its level and make it completely white so I can use that. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's make some space. So let's make some room for the others that I'm about to bring it here. And here we have this. Okay, so I want this one as well. Alt here, I'll move. Okay, and levels. Now we'll go back. Take this. Alt here and bring this down. Levels and move these all here. Okay, so we got what we were looking for, three different parts of the mask here, and we'll create three different basic, what you can say, three different albedos here. So first, I'll make a blend node here. Okay, and this blend node I will use the same transform, like transform one that I used for the rivet albedo. Alt, okay, and then alt here. Put this inside. Okay, and then I'll use a. Oops, I think I have to put it here. Sorry. Okay, and this part, alt and put here. Let's put this at this stage. Okay, so we got it here. Okay, and now I will do the same thing. Blend. Okay, so I will use the same like a cloud map from there, from the rivets, put it here in the foreground, and I will take the next level, like next like a mask, put it here, put it here, and then new blend, same from here, the cloud mask, and take this one this time. Ready. So I have this. The reason we are using these cloud maps is that because it's not basically even, like it's like gray and black, and some gray white is all is there. So the color, when we will put the metallic on it, so it will not look purely new or freshly created metal. So that's why we have used these like this, a cloud map, because it will break that like smooth feeling out of it. So now what I'm going to do, move this here. Okay, move this slightly here, move this down, and blend here. Put this on the foreground and use this here. I think we have to do one thing here. First, let's go back here, this one. Now this should not be uh, black and white. So we can change its color to something else. So I will put here like a color form. Okay, let's see what we have here. Instead of color, let's choose HSL. I got HSL here. Let's double click it here, single click it here. You can change it to something else here. Okay. Saturation a little bit higher. Let's give it a little bit, yeah, orangish, and make it a little darker. Okay. This, and same thing I will do with this one. HSL. Saturation a little bit higher. Okay. A little darker. Not too dark. And something closer to what we have selected, but little dark. This fine now. Now we can add them. So I will take this one here. Okay, put this in the foreground. This one in the background. Add them. Okay, or let's see which one suits better. So here what I need to do, if I will go back here, double click it here, single click on this one, and then I will crop it, the bottom part. So I will reduce this bottom part here, and I will crop it. So I have to reduce the value. Oh, okay. And then we need this part, which is the circular part, and we will have to add another blending node here. I have to put it here. Okay, the top part, bottom bar here, use add, but there is a weird thing going on here. So what I need to do, take this one, okay, and mask it out there. Select this and inverse it. Okay, so we got it. Move all these back here. Create a blending node, the final one here. Okay. Add this one there. Copy, is that's fine. But we need a mask here. But automatically it will be created there. So we don't have to worry about this. Okay. So we got this here. I will select all of this. Right click, add frame, and I will call this local video. So we got our local video here. Now handle and the other parts are pretty simple here. What I'm going to do here is that I will not use these because handle itself is a little bigger, so I will not use like the same transform which is coming from that side. Okay, sorry, I will not use this one, the river albedo. Instead I will use from here the name tag. Okay, so I'll go here, this, alt, all the way back here, alt, then I will use my blend mode here. Okay, and this should go to the foreground. Okay, shift, move it here, and what I need is the mask now. So let's go back where we have that mask stuff going on. This is what I needed. Where it is going, it's just going there. So I'll take one from here, alt, all the way back up here, alt, and all the way back here, alt, and then okay, so it's now applied here. I'll make another albedo here, blend. So but I'll take it from here, put that here. Now I need the mask. This is the lock. This is what I want, handle. So I'll take this one from here, alt, all the way go back here, alt, then last in the end, put it here. Okay, there we go. So we have for the handle as well. I will add one frame here. Let's make it a little bigger so that easy to handle them. And I will color it red and call this top gauge albedo. Take these, add frame, and call this one handle it. So we are done with these albedos as well. Now next, let's see what is left. The next lesson we will work on, all these are done. Okay, vents, name tag, dents, rivet screws, hinges, scratches. We'll work on scratches when we will move to metallic, and then edge wear and rust. These we will work in our next class. So I hope you have learned something from this lesson, and thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos but not have subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button, and if you have any queries or questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is, I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. So please, if anyone is doing that and you find someone doing this, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all, therefore help me to get new subscriber. I will take off now, and take care guys till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training institute.
There is one important announcement I would like to make. I have started 3 great membership plans on my channel. I have introduced ZI Friends membership plan, which will give you exciting perks like loyalty badges and priority on comments. I have also introduced ZI Early Bird plan, which will give access to Z Interactive tutorials way early before they become public. So you will get all these lessons at once and you can binge watch them. Last but not the least, I have introduced ZI Premium plan, which will give access to advanced professional tutorials, which you will find at very expensive outside, and I will be giving this at a very low amount of price. So visit my channel now and click on the join membership to get more information. I hope you become one of my members. If you want to learn how to create a highly detailed prop procedurally using Substance Designer, so this premium tutorial series is for you. Join my premium membership plan on YouTube and get access to all premium tutorials. In this tutorial series, I will demonstrate how to use Substance Designer along with simple geometry to create a realistic, smashed up retro television.